Milepost 353.17 with another video lined up for you. Going to have the roll-by of the all-rail or empties of the U723 71 of the 12th with the 3310, 3328, and 3340 added. Check them out on the rolls. It returns to Mintac Yard in Mountain Iron, Minnesota since starting the journey at Convent, Louisiana. As we lean back and get them, here we go. Isolated while the 3310 is online. How about that? And that is going to do it for the U723 71 of the 12th. We'll do it for the 3340, the 3328, and the 3310. Again, they go to Mintac Yard Mine in Mountain Iron, Minnesota. This video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the Flag Day weekend. See you next time, and we'll see you along the main line. And see you, and Hayes out.